So if you are a civil engineer, contractor, site engineer planning to buy a cutting machine, you can really prefer this. So today we are going to unbox the new grinder machine I have purchased. This is a cutting machine. We can be used for both puffing and cutting the walls, cutting the tiles, etc. and also cutting the steel reinforcement. So Hitenci cutting machine, and this cutting machine is water resistant and dust proof. This is a 1200 watt machine. So see how powerful it is. I will say its cost at the end of this video. This is so powerful and value for money product. Let's unbox it and also see its performance. This is a China brand. It is Hitenci, not Hitachi. So it is a China brand, but it gives water resistant and dust proof, in which we are daily working on it. So obviously our site is always full of dust, and moreover it is waterproof. So if you are a contractor, site engineer, a civil engineer, and you are planning to buy a cutting machine or grinding machine or some puffing machine, and for paint removing purpose, for any kind of purpose, you can go for this. And also cutting the steel rods, you can definitely prefer this Hitenci cutting machine, which is around rupees 2500 in my local place. And I hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching.